Have you uploaded to the GCR, by the way?
The district and the presentation.
Yes, the script and the PPT you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe just. Oh, where did you make the PPT? In Canva? Oh, you make it by like the real PPT, right? If it is in Canva, you just put the URL, I guess. Then you can upload it both, the script and the PPT. Thank you. This one.
Setiap anggota.
Yes, yes. Even though you have the same file, but just upload it. Wait, this one.
Oke guys.
Kenapa coba Mas Ramdan?
Okay, this one is us. I have shared it to the ini. Just don't forget.
Ini nama gini Pak? Hah? Jadi tim A menilai tim B.
Oh, dia ada.
Sidang terbuka ya? Atau tertutup? Oke. Where is it?
Ada kok link penilaiannya kalau mau nilai.
Anjir, terus gitu sih ya?
Sombong banget ya. Si paling 46.
It's from Ramdhani. No. From Ramdhani, right? Oke, membekas ya.
Iya. Aja ya kan coding. Let's go.
Okay, nobody has uploaded the. Okay.
Oh iya, upload dulu.
Okay.
Upload dulu.
Okay, Alvan, will you use the whiteboard? Alvan,
Nice, fun.
will you use that one? No.
No.
Okay. So we did not know to clean it up.
Duh, bantuin dong gimana sih? Lu nggak bisa sih?
Bisa apa?
Bisa ini.
Ditarik nih. Lu dia
Extend.
geser aja ke kanan.
Tapi nggak slideshow.
Itu.
Enable editing.
Mau di sini?
Enable editingnya bukan itu.
Oh gitu.
Okay.
Udah bisa sih.
Halo.
Yes. The forum is open for everyone. It depends on the chairman actually.
Nah,
Because you
itu
would
dia
like,
yang mau.
but just raise your hand if you want to ask questions. But I'm not sure that you will be accepted. Okay, this one.
Nah, kami start now.
Okay, wait a moment, please. Maya, have you uploaded?
Oh iya, belum upload.
Okay. It's okay. At least I just have one of you for now. Then you can start, by the way. Wait, this one is. Oh, okay. Okay, I have got one of your file. Then you can start it now, Alvan, if you like.
Oh, boleh nanti berarti?
Yes, because I have got one of you. Sorry, where's the script? Did you upload the script?
Oh, ini. Oh, tempel.
Oh, the PDF one. Okay.
Semua orang ngomong tadi. Nanti. Oh, lepas aja berarti ya.
Oh, this one. Yes. All right. You can go in count of three. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Could I have your attention, please?
Yes.
Thank you, everyone, and I would like to warmly welcoming you all to Town Hall Meeting 2025 PT Berkah Coding. We would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Afan Abdillah, project manager, and then Genta.
Stand up or good evening everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Neta. I'm a marketing specialist and I'll be sharing some new marketing ideas for the next quarter.
Okay. Chairman. Okay.
Good evening, my name is Julfikar. I work as a finance officer and today I'll be presenting the budget details.
Okay.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm Maya. I'm the event coordinator.
Mm-hmm.
And my role today is to present the proposed schedule for our event.
Okay. Good evening. Okay.
Thank you. Tonight, the aim of this meeting is to talk about focusing on the three case areas.
Key areas.
Three key areas. How we are allocating our research, what we have to achieve together, and the exciting plan that will shape our future.
Okay.
The meeting is begin. Okay. Kok gitu sih? Nah. Okay. The first item on the agenda is about the budget. Zulfikar, could you walk us through the details?
Could you? Yeah, it's supposed to be stand up actually. If you want to say something.
Thank you, Afan. For this quarter, our total budget stands at 750 million. We have carefully allocated it as follows: 375 million for product development, ensuring continuous innovation. The next one is 225 million for marketing initiatives
Initiative.
to expand our reach and strengthen our brand. The last one is 150 million for operation and support to guarantee seamless service delivery. This balanced distribution reflects our commitment to innovation, growth, and sustainability.
Sustainability. Okay.
Excellent, thank you. That provide us with strong foundation.
Mhm.
I think that cover the first item.
That covers.
Nobody
Okay.
has anything else to ask. Let's continue. Now we come to the. Okay. Now we come to the back at what we've accomplished. Kenta, could you share our recent achievement?
Okay. Often louder, please. Okay.
Thank you, Afan. With pleasure, this quarter, Berkah Coding achieved three milestones that really highlight our progress. The first one, successfully launched our new learning platform, providing a faster, smoother, and experience. The second one is increased training program enrollment by 40%, showing our growing impact in the community. And the last one is secure to major partnership with leading tech companies, which strengthen our ecosystem and open new opportunities. These results are a testament to everyone has hard work and collaboration. Thank you.
Outstanding achievements, Genda. Okay, thank you, and congratulations to all of your hard work. Next, we go to the final item.
Okay.
The final item of the agenda is what plan that we have to prepare. And so, Maya, please share the plan.
Thank you, Alvan. Oh iya.
Kenapa gak usah oh iya?
Oh, sorry. Dari tadi. Thank you, Alvan. Looking ahead to the next quarter, we have set out bold and inspiring initiative. First, launching AI-driven feature on our platform to deliver a more personalized and engaging learning journey. Second is expanding advanced training programs that empower professionals with the latest in-demand skills. And the last is hosting a tech community event in December to celebrate innovation, foster collaboration, and connect directly with our users. Together, this initiative will not only elevate the quality of our services, but also strengthen our bond with the community we serve.
Okay, thank you, Maya. Personally, I'm truly excited. I want to listen some
Yeah, thank you.
questions about maybe and
Okay.
Okay, Alvan, thank you. Of course, I believe the AI driven feature will significantly difference us in the market. At the same time, I would recommend it allocating additional budget to customer support, so user receive the guidance they need. As for the teach community event, I suggest including interactive Q&A session,
Q&A
so we can hear directly for our users and strengthen our connection with them. Thank you.
okay, great. Thank you for suggestion. Okay, is there any other business? Maybe
I have. You said you have building a learning platform.
we have.
Can you tell me, like, what is your target audience? Is it for a student or your own employees?
This one.
Yeah, the learning platform.
Uh,
Like,
Actually,
what thing you tips in that?
okay. I think someone can.
Yes, the members can also answer the questions. Can someone help to answer the question? Maybe the chairman can repeat the questions if
Okay,
the members.
So our team Riza is asking that what's the target audience of the new learning platform that we was created.
Okay. Target for the new learning platform. The target audience, is that the questions?
Yeah. Maybe
Okay.
I will trying to answer.
Okay.
Please add me. Please correct me.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
So the target audience of this a new learning platform is maybe is can have a we try build this new learning platform for corporate we want to train the new employee that so before they have they get
Okay.
the task the task so the new employee can learn on the platform first.
So yes.
Is the answer helpful?
Is that answering your questions? Yes. Okay. No additional information from the members. No. Okay, it's enough. So
Okay, all right. That's all for today's meeting. Is there anything? Is there any question before we finish?
is there any other questions? I don't know whether the chairman will receive the question.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, just introduce yourself, don't forget.
My name is Bang Alfudin. I'm from the fintech company,
Okay.
and I'm here as a representative from fintech. I want to ask about one of the ambitious plans for the future, the advanced training.
Okay.
What skill that do you think is a cutting edge skill? What's the skill you want to be trained for the cutting edge skill?
Okay. What are the skills that you want to train?
That's a nice question.
That's a very nice question.
So, Mark has asked that. What? Maybe just give some details about the advanced training, right?
Yes.
Okay. This plan is organized by Maya.
So Maya will know more about it. Is that what
Yes.
you mean? Okay.
I think Maya will
So-
know more.
That's okay.
Would you mind answering that question? So when you want to ask someone's help, you must use very polite sentence, right? So Maya, please.
And Genta, would you mind because you want to
Okay.
that this year achievement?
Okay. Genta, you may.
What kind of detail of advanced training?
Do you know the questions, right, Genta? And do you want to know it more again? No. Okay. Just say. No matter how.
I think go tomorrow.
Okay. From Maya to Genta and to Zo, and then be ready for Intan. Okay. Okay, what are the skills, right? Okay. Afan, maybe you can repeat the question again. I'm afraid your members are not
Okay,
understanding it. Okay.
The question is Maruf asking that what kind of advanced training is like maybe we can explain some details here.
Okay. Do you get a point? Okay. The questions.
I don't know.
Okay. You can just elaborate by yourself. Just say something. No matter how. Come on. This is naturally happen, right? So this is the real speaking ability, I can see from you. So please, thank you for the nice question, by the way. Maruf, right? Okay.
Maybe I just heard some suggestion from my member that
Mm-hmm.
I think advanced training is about what the employee is need to increase, like skill of coding and skills of understanding requirement of technical solution from user, and of course the documentation
The documentation.
that we must to increase next year. I
Okay.
guess.
Is that all?
Yes. Thank you for the answer. It's very
Okay.
open my mind. Thank you.
Open up to my mind. Okay.
I think there is any question. There is no question left. I
Okay.
guess.
There is no more question left. And I think somebody will ask a question again.
Okay, Albert.
Yes, please.
Is it okay?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Okay,
of
thank
course.
you very much, Mr. Rahman. I would like to ask something.
Would like to ask it.
This is plans for the future, and before that, asking for what is the advanced training, right?
Advanced
So, you said there is no AI training in your advanced training, so because you are with the AI driven future, so you should train the employees on something about AI, right?
Mhm.
Is there any AI training in advanced training?
Okay. Is there any AI things in the advanced training? Is that what you meant? So,
That's a good suggestion. So we will start it with our next plan. So yeah.
is that a suggestion?
Asking about is there any AI training in your advanced training?
Okay. Just don't forget if you are facing with some difficult question, and you can use the 3Ds, right?
3D is.
Yeah. You can use delay or deflect or something. Actually, that's a question, Mr. Afan. Not suggestion. Yes, this is yes or no question. Is there any AI on the advanced training?
In our plan is no.
Okay.
Because this the employees skills about technical and skills of documentation I think is more important.
Mhm.
And other side the AI driven. Yeah, I think you it's another training. I think not the priority one.
Okay. Another one. Okay. Not the priority one.
Very much, Mr. Rahman.
Yes. Okay. All right. Can we just close it again?
Okay, no
Okay.
question. Right. Great. Okay.
It's enough, right?
Now, to wrap it up, tonight we went over hours 750 million budget, celebrate some amazing achievements, and share exciting plans for the future. A big thanks you to Zulfikar, Genta, Maya, and Intan for your contributions.
Contributions.
And of course, to the whole Berkah Coding team for your hard work and patience.
Yay.
Bringing our CEO's message that we're not just building products, we're creating opportunities, making an impact, and growing a stronger community together. That's it for our town hall meeting. Thank you, and let's keep
Yay.
forward.
The last one. Okay. Okay. Ada side effect-nya ya? Okay. First thing first is one thing that I like from Afan is he is trying hard to speak in English, right? Sometimes we are confused about some vocabulary, but I'm just waiting for for his bahasa Indonesia. But he didn't do that actually. I thought it will be Jaksel like combined, but no, right? He is trying hard to speak in English, even though sometimes it's kind of hard, right? Why don't you just say it in bahasa if you are still confused? You don't.
Jadi ngomong sekarang.
Oh, nggak kedengeran ya? Oh, gitu. Okay. Okay, that's the first one. And you have that power actually to conduct a meeting, but maybe just your voice again. That's your, what we call that, just make it more, what we call that? Louder. Kalau volumenya udah ada, cuman ini ya, apa namanya? Oh iya, kestabilan ya, consistency. Okay, but that's good actually. Afan, you are almost there. Actually, I'm just looking at your speaking ability when the Q&A, right? It's really you actually. So that's why I have to thanks to the one who gave the question, I guess. What about you? Will you give your thanks to the one who gave you the questions? Okay. Genta is almost like trying to memorize your script, but maybe just more in understanding the script, right? Did you understand your script, like in really understand it, right? Yeah, actually. Do you want to say something?
But sometimes when I just try to answer the question,
It's kind of hard, right? Oh wait, so you know the answers actually,
yes, but
but I know what you feel. It's kind of hard to communicate it, right? Belibet. Oh, masih tongue twister dulu kali ya? Maksudnya belibetnya gimana tuh? Kayak, you know what? Oh yes. Berarti harusnya pemanasan dulu ya. Tongue twister dulu ya berarti ya. Okay. But again, never be afraid of making mistake, but be afraid not to try. I see what I want to see from Genta. Maybe for the next one, you can improve it more and just be more confident. And for Intan and Maya also, actually, you have that power, but just make it more confidence. Wait, did you make it like this today, the script, or before? Because you changed the script, right? No. Did you change the script from? Oh, just that today. Really, Zul?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just hoping that you have some days, then you can like memorize the script. But finally, you make it just by yourself, but just by today, right? Okay. Just give your best improvement for the next one, because you know what are we going to discuss for tonight? Lesson 5 is today. So it's totally not scripted actually. Untuk yang awal memang scripted ya. Tapi untuk kedepannya kan ada rebuttal ya. Maksudnya POI itu dalam debate is something that agak sedikit yang ditekankan. Kayak Q&A kan kalau di meeting yang mau nanya aja. Tapi in debate, POI. Do you know POI, right? Something like interruptions. Is it? Do you know interupsi, right? So it is a must for you to give that one. Okay. Have you fill out di penilaian aku dan kamu? Oh sudah. Rakan, are you done with that? Okay. What about Namdani? Yes. Thank you very much. Sudah semua ya berarti ya. Okay. Very nice presentations and yeah, diuji ya. Yang di Q&A sih. I love the Q&A session by the way. So just make it more and more hot. I mean like in the debate, yeah. Okay. So any questions? Zul. No, questions from Zul actually. No. Okay. Okay. Just be at our lesson 5 actually. It's about debate. Kemarin sampai mana ya? Udah sampai praktek belum? Baru sampai mana? Baru sampai modul. Wait, modulnya sudah di-share belum ya? Loh, berarti belum apa-apa dong?
Just the materi.
Oh, just the materials from the Canva. Oh, okay.
Coffee and tea.
Oh, coffee and tea. Yes. Actually, I just thought that you're going to have a practice of debate tonight. Coffee and versus tea. But we haven't discussed about the module, right?
Sampai baru penjelasan Ariel.
Arel, yes. That's what I want to ask you. So what is Arel? Ariel?
Ariel, no, the A stands for assertion.
Yes, nice.
R stands for reason.
Somebody's coming. And
E for evidence, and L stands for link.
link, okay, link that. You see this?
No.
I thought you memorize it. Makanya loh, ini diborong semua ya, tumben ini Zul borong ya. Ternyata ada di depan ya. Okay, never mind. At least, okay. Arel, yes, this is Arel. Okay, first thing first, maybe we can just discuss first about our tujuan ya. Tujuannya pertama kita bisa memahami konsep debat sebagai komunikasi profesional. So this is not debat yang kayak debat kusir ya. This is like apa ya, debat yang ada aturannya. Okay, so beside we have to understand about the concept, we must also the ethic. Nah ini nih etika dasar debat ya. And then kita menguasai kerangka Arel, like the framework of Arel. And then kita nanti akan latihan sederhana. Okay, so I do not need to explain about what is debate, right? So we just one. Nanti relevansinya dengan kita debat itu apa? Ya bisa nanti kita bisa menentukan prioritas ya. Kalau di dalam debat kan itu ada berapa skills yang kita butuhkan. Yang paling butuh sih adalah critical thinking ya. And then what else beside critical thinking? Yes, the manner. Sorry? So it's mean like the public speaking, right? Beside we must have the critical thinking skills, we must also have the public speaking skills, and then listening skills, right? And then researching skills. Sorry? Knowledge? Yes, actually in debate there are only two yang dinilai, matter and manners. Matter is the arguments, right? And manner is the way you deliver the arguments. But talking about searching, like the skill of researching, we know that internet has a millions of informations. But how can we find very good informations or data from the internet? We must be concerned with the two things, right? Have I explained about where can we find it? Okay, the first one, we must take it from the credible sources, and then update ones. Okay, nice. Can you give me an example? Oh, udah tadi kemarin ya. Dari apa namanya? Salah satunya? Dari media online kayak CNN.
Dari government websites.
Okay, nice. From the government website. Thank you, Ramdhani. This one is from the Google Scholar government website, and itu namanya apa? Halodoc itu namanya apa ya? Sosmed, bukan? Aplikasi? Forum? Yang tadi tuh dari platform? Hah? Udah. Google Scholar and then government institution website, right? And then tadi apa yang media online, bisa CNN, bisa Kompas, yang jelas sih national ini ya, media. Nah yang Halodoc itu tadi apa namanya? Forum, aplikasi nggak sih? Can we just take the reason from the Halodoc? Yes, of course, because ada dokternya kan beneran di situ. Misalnya kita ngambil dari sudut pandang kesehatan, ya udah ngambil dari situ, dan itu juga ada dokternya. Oke, good. And now, nah ini dia nih, Sebentar. Okay, what's wrong? Charger? Maruf charger.
Looking for
Oh, something. His cord.
SIM card.
Oh, SIM.
I don't know what card.
Oh, just the card.
Just
Okay. Now please have a look at this. Actually, wait. Talking about ethic. Where is it? Okay. Maybe let's have a look at this one first. What is debate?
A debate is a discussion of a theme or question between two or more interlocutors. In a formal debate, the theme or question is called a motion. The motion is usually controversial and has no clear or correct answer.
So what is motion? It's something like the issue and the topic, right? Do you know what is our trending topics for today's trending topic? MBG. What's wrong with MBG? Poison. Okay. Yes. One more. What is that? Private?
Oh,
Private?
ini
Gas?
Yes.
Oh, I say yes. Gasoline. Yes. So the private gasoline station are forbidden, right? They will be closed by the government, especially by. It is an idea from Bahlil, our ministry. Yes, that's a trending topic. Thank you for saying that. Yes. Yes. Okay.
An example of a motion might be
Okay, the motion is something like that. This house would still hold the MBG program. So what is this house in this context mean? DPR, right? The government, it's mean like DPR ya. Jadi kalau dalam debat tuh selalu depannya this house ya. Because yang membuat undang-undang tuh yang biasanya DPR ya. Atau siapa? Bukan presiden kan? DPR, MPR masih ada sekarang? Oh masih ya. Udah nggak terlalu ini. Oke, so this house selalu depannya this house sih kalau untuk motion ya. This house would still hold the MBG program.
everybody should get universal basic income.
Yes.
The two teams will then argue for or against the motion.
In the debate, there is always like two teams, right? Pro is for cons or pro? Pro. So against is for cons, right? In the debate, we may not to use this one, right? Do you know this? Like, we are very forbidden. Sara. Yes, S is for suku, and then agama, R, and A yang kedua antar golongan. Nice. So you are not allowed to use this kind of arguments. Berarti kita nggak boleh ngambil dari ini ya, suku ya. Agama juga, ras dan antar golongan. Kalau antar golongan itu maksudnya gimana? Ini udah dibahas belum sih? Oh belum. Oh udah tahu. Okay, so Iza, what is antar golongan? Example.
Currently, like in one group,
In a group. Okay, an example, a real example.
like an organization.
Yes.
Pemuda Pancasila.
Pemuda Pancasila itu organisasi.
Yes.
Oke, selain itu yang
Like, member of this.
LSM.
So member of a group, right?
Yes. Like Muhammadiyah and NU is an organization, right? So maybe we cannot use salah satu pemahaman dari mereka ya. Why? Why we cannot use agama actually in our debate? It's subjective. And then what else? Sensitive. Very good. And then what else? We must use the unit. Yes, Iza.
Make a conflict
Yes.
bigger.
Bigger. Kan debate itu kita malah nyari solusi ya. Ini malah ngelebarin konflik. That's why. But beside that, is there any other opinion why we may not use Sara in our debate? Because we must use something universal, right? Nggak boleh memihak pada satu apa namanya golongan ya, atau agama dan lain-lain. Oke, good. Oke. My team kemarin dulu pernah ikut debat yang judulnya waktu 2020 tuh kan lagi ini ya, lagi trendingnya LGBT ya. Nah itu this house would legalize LGBT in Indonesia. Dan nggak tahu kenapa pas dikocok tim kita dapat yang pro dan dan itu agak ini ya, agak ya walaupun debate itu adalah ya debatable, still debatable, but our team wins because the opponent use sara, yaitu agama ya. Dia dengan bangganya say in our religion it is not allowed. Udah langsung tuh judges bilang gini ya. Oke, so just be careful with this. Sorry? We cannot use this one, right? This is very forbidden in the debate of academic, tapi ya, academic debate. So, I'm gonna test your critical thinking. Zul, can you give me a reason if you are as a pro and the motion is this house would legalize LGBT? So, can you give us an example of best argument that we must support legalization?
I think every human have his right to
Every human has what?
rights.
Right. Yes, that's good. Be careful, Fadil. Yes, my team used that one. So it's all about human right.
Yes.
Yang bilang freedom of love siapa ya? Oh, oh, this one. Roy Pixate, that freedom of love. So it's something like the human right. But sorry, what was that? But that is like human right, right? Okay, nice. Oh, berarti kalau critical thinking udah nggak diraguin lagi ya untuk Zo ya. Cuman mungkin yang ini nih sama kayak Genta. Genta punya banyak ide. Mungkin kita juga semua ya. Bahkan saya juga ya. Kadang kita tahu tapi kayak nggak tahu cara mengungkapkannya. Did you feel that? And how we solve that? Ya dengan practice, and practice. Okay, next.
For or in favor of the motion is called the proposition.
Okay.
The party against or opposed to the motion is called the opposition.
Tim kalau di demokrasi partai yang menang jadi proposisi atau oposisi? Yang menang. Proposisi atau dalam bahasa lainnya koalisi ya. Kalau oposisi berarti partai yang kalah ya. Dia jadi check and balances. So do you know what is the party of the who lose in this president election? PDIP ya. Oke.
Each team
Oh nggak gabung koalisi PDI. Oh oke.
is usually given equal time
Okay.
to present their argument, which usually includes an introduction, reasons with examples or evidence, and a conclusion. At the end of the debate, a neutral third party, usually a judge or committee, will decide the winner.
Oke.
The winning team is the team that delivers the most cogent, convincing argument.
Okay, so how we can win a debate? The winning team is cogent and convincing. What is cogent and convincing? Cogent. Masuk akal, almost there. Beside that, apa? Kuat. What do you mean by kuat? This one is matter and this one is manner. Like you know matter, like the kuat tadi ya, kekuatan argumen. Yes, and then beralasan, berdasar ya. And we have learned how to make our arguments. Like in the debate, this is our opinions, right? And our opinion can be stronger if we have the data or evidence or the arguments. Okay, and then the convincings. What is convincings? Percuma punya ide yang bagus, matter yang bagus, kajian, tapi kalau convincingnya kurang, nah itu kayaknya kurang agak ini, oleng. What is convincing?
Meyakinkan.
Yes, the way of meyakinkan, seni meyakinkan itu seperti apa? Nah itu yang kita lihat ya. Coba di sini yang saya lihat seni meyakinkan orang itu sudah oke, siapa ya? Genta punya seni meyakinkan. I thought. Okay, now let's see. Let them.
Whether the judge personally agrees with the motion is not relevant to determining the winner.
Okay.
In fact, the teams are typically assigned their position at random, which means they may need to debate in favour of a motion with which they personally disagree. The word debate comes from the Latin verb battere, meaning to fight. The
Okay.
practice goes back thousands of years to ancient Greece and India, where debate was considered essential to a functioning democracy. The debate structure used today first took form in the early 18th century England. The fundamental skills necessary to debate also apply to many other aspects of life. The ability to think critically and analyze a problem. The ability to present your thoughts logically and
Okay.
elegantly. The ability to speak confidently in public. And the ability to listen carefully and interpret information quickly
Okay.
are crucial skills for any leader, academic, researcher, or artist. Debating a position you might not personally agree with also helps you to develop empathy and broaden your worldview.
This is actually what I want you to get from the debate. Develop your empathy. What is empathy, by the way? What is empathy? Can you find another word for empathy? Yes, almost there. Empathy is something like what? Yes, we feel what they feel. Okay. How can we feel that? By what?
By understanding their thinking, the way
By what? Oh, by what? Sorry.
by their idea,
Oh, by
Understanding.
by understanding their
by other people understanding.
Oh, I see. Actually, this is what I want the DPR have ya. Kan ada apa namanya? Ada wacana katanya kalau untuk kedepannya anggota DPR itu harus bisa TOEFL-nya 500. Ada nggak dengar sama minimal S2? Padahal itu kurang krusial sih menurut saya. Yang paling krusial adalah bukan kemampuan itu, tapi kemampuan iya itu empati kayak in Jawa adalah tepa saliro. Tepo saliro. Do you know that? Something like you don't know what is tepo saliro? You're Japanese, I guess. Tepo saliro. What is that actually? Nah, tenggang rasa bener. Nah itu yang paling crucial ya. That I think my personally think that it is very good. I mean like, sorry. Oke. Nah, develop empathy dengan cara kita tuh kan kalau dalam debat bisa merasakan harus berpikir dalam dua POV ya. Sometimes. Atau kita fanatik nih, harus ada satu, enggak kan? Oke. As an academicians, we must think from many angles ya. Oke. Yes.
As you train for debate, you will learn how to analyze a problem,
Oke.
form a persuasive argument, respond to counter-arguments, and ask questions.
Oke.
Along the way, you'll also discover new information, meet new people, and gain new perspectives.
Okay, so that's a debate actually. So debate is something like to fight, but the weapon is, what is the weapon in debate? Informations, right? Okay. So this one is the, kalau etik kayaknya you can read, but let's, what we call that, kita nonton aja ya untuk etik ya. Yes. Yes, please. Okay. It's a bathroom, right? How to debate? Yes. Okay.
Debate is won by convincing the judges that what you say is more important or more relevant than what the other team is saying. You can't win a debate by calling another person's argument stupid. You have to back up your argument first. Following these steps, you will learn the elements of a good debate and the characteristics of a good debater. For a formal debate, preparation should start the day you get your resolution. Start first by defining terms. This narrows down the topic and allows for a more specified argument. If you're not sure what path you want to take, start first by brainstorming some ideas for points.
Okay, talking about research, what is the other form of arguments selain research? Kira-kira apa ya? Ada yang tahu? What is, kan kalau dalam evidence itu biasanya research ya. Nah selain itu apa? Bisa nggak dalam bentuk lain? Evidence-nya?
Story.
Yes. Experience. I mean like personal story, right? Like our own experience. Very good. Berarti dua doang. Research sama personal experience. Kayaknya ya, dua itu aja ya. But I suggest you to use research actually. Nah, researchnya itu berarti nanti kalau bisa, kalau dalam ini nih, kalau yang di kampus kira-kira itu kan terbaru ya. Yang terbaru yang kedua. Nah, itu berapa tahun kira-kira? Better. Paling lama berapa tahun boleh? 5 years. Atau paling lama banget 10 tahun. That's why nanti when you are making the debate arguments, never take the sources or the research from 1,000 years ago. Yes. So never. Yes, 1,000. I mean 100,000 ya. Oke, ya Zul ya. Paling lama 10 tahun berarti berapa tahun nih? 2000 berapa? 2015. Itu paling jauh sih. Itu nggak ada lagi tuh. Kayaknya udah. Kenapa sih harus kayak gitu ya? Karena kan ya. Hah? Iya, karena ilmu itu kan berkembang ya, sehingga kita tidak salah. Kayak teori apa yang teman-teman sudah tahu sekarang itu nggak berlaku lagi? Kayak Pluto kemarin ya. Apalagi? Teori Darwin apalagi? Teori Ramdhani bukan? Oke. Ah? Oh enggak. Oh. You remember? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Before we go into delivery, let's go over some debate terms.
Okay.
The resolution is the topic that is being debated. Definitions are the interpretation of the resolution created by the affirmative team in the debate.
Okay.
The rebuttal is a contradiction of the opposing.
What is rebuttal? Beside that, rebuttal is the same with? Huh? Almost there. Rebuttal? Yes. Rebuttal is something like interruptions, like POI, right? Points of informations. So rebuttal is something like apa? In bahasa bantahan ya. Oke. Nah ada, iya sanggahan, ada tekniknya. Jadi ini kan debat berasal dari ini ya, England ya. Terus dia ada tekniknya when you want to address a rebuttal.
As part of your persuasive speech. POI.
Okay, POI. That is what I meant. Do you know this style? Jadi kalau dalam formal debate itu kemarin waktu saya di kampus juga kayak gitu tuh. Seperti ini ya. Ada yang tahu kenapa? Pas saya cari tahu ternyata filosofinya ini kan dari parlemen Inggris ya. Dulu pernah lihat nggak parlemen Inggris yang pakai ini wig warna blonde tapi dia palsu. Nah itu dia kan kalau di DPR itu sedang apa sih namanya objection ya. Nah itu tuh takut apa? Takut jatuh katanya. That's why ketika berdiri dia pegang sambil kepala sambil tepuk tangan. So you can do that actually. Do you want to do that? Maybe. That's the rule of the debate. Tapi itu dijadikan rule sampai sekarang kalau dalam formal debate ya. Oke. Oke, boleh diterima, boleh enggak? No thanks, yes please gitu ya kalau mau ada POI. POI ya berarti ya, bukan interupsi. But POI please. Agak beda ya. Agak oke.
Answering POIs is a good way of showing that you know what you're talking about. However, taking too many can cause you to lose focus on your speech and possibly run out of time. It is advised that you take at least 2 during your speech.
Okay.
A summary is the concluding speech on each side, providing a biased review of the debate. When done well, it is a great way to get extra points from the judges. A good summary should bring up and elaborate on the points that you made, as well as mention the opposition's points and the flaws in them. Please note that no new information will be brought up at this time. However, this is a good place to make the opposition's argument seem weaker. Your
Okay.
summary can help you gain a final edge over your opponents and secure your victory.
Who is this? Do you know her? Judges, very good.
Protected time.
Protected time is the first and last.
So what is protected time? Beside that? Yes. Sorry?
Waktunya mengumpulkan
What is protected? Yes, like waktu yang terlindungi. Maksudnya kalau dalam debat kan 1 orang 5 menit ya. Nah jadi waktu untuk bisa protected time itu ketika kita nggak boleh POI itu di menit pertama sama menit terakhir. So when you want to give your POI or interruption or rebuttal, you are just allowed in the second, third, and fourth. Berarti di menit pertama sama menit terakhir tuh nggak boleh ada POI. Kenapa? Baru ngomong langsung POI kan itu nggak bagus ya? Nggak apa sih namanya? Nah itu kenapa kira-kira ada protected time dalam debate? Selain itu, kenapa kita nggak boleh membantah di menit pertama sama menit terakhir? Yes. Pertama kalau di menit pertama, yes, etik, right? Kita mencoba untuk mendengarkan dulu, baru nanti tuh di menit ketiga sampai keempat. Oke, so just do that. Just don't forget about it. Protected time. Tapi kita 1 orang berarti nanti berapa menit? 90. Bicara in Inggris itu kalau 1 menit aja udah rasanya lama ya.
Speech during which points and information cannot be offered. It is important to understand the roles that everybody plays in the formal debate. The
Affirmative.
affirmative side supports the resolution, while the negative side goes against the resolution.
Oke.
A judge is responsible for giving feedback to the debaters and deciding who wins.
Oke.
A moderator is in charge of managing the speaking times for the debate.
Maintaining eye contact with the judges is crucial, as they are the ones assessing your argument.
Please use your eye contact, everyone. This is what I want to see from you. Ya, lagi-lagi ini juga memang harus yang 5P itu ya.
Speak confidently. A judge is more likely to believe your argument if it sounds like you believe in it as well. Speak clearly but not too fast. Make sure you are able to get all of your information across without running out of time.
Oke, use hand gesture.
Hand gestures. Use hand
Yes.
gestures appropriately. Don't overdo it.
Etik.
When raising POIs, it is not necessary to keep up. However, it is the formal manner.
Oke.
Reject POIs politely by saying no thank you or not at this time. You may not speak to your partner directly during anyone's speech, but you may pass notes freely. Always address the moderator, timekeeper, judges, and your opponents at the beginning of your speech.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, final judge, functional timekeeper, and worthy opponents.
So we must greet siapa aja tuh sebelum kita ini menyampaikan debat. Judges and then moderator and then timekeeper and then the opponent, right? Okay, just don't forget about it.
We should have standards for us today.
What not to do?
Don't dress inappropriately.
Okay.
Don't throw stuff.
Okay, never do that.
Don't interrupt the speaker.
Okay.
Yes, so
Don't mumble.
Okay, mumbles. Do you know mumbles? Something like that. What is mumble in bahasa ya? Kalau anak apa? Kalau anak kecil namanya babbling ya anak kecil ya, bayi ya. So, we have to speak clearly, right? Nah, that's it.
Don't over-celebrate.
Okay, don't over celebrate.
We now call this debate to a close. Please cross the floor and shake hands.
Okay, don't forget to shake hand after all. Okay, that's the rules, I guess. Oke, sudah ada gambaran berarti ya sedikit terkait yang menang kanan karena yes. Okay. That's the ethic of the debate. Sopan dan respect berbasis fakta, gestures, consistency, and tidak bawa ke personals. And then this is the framework actually. So A is for assertion. So it's something like pernyataan. For example, just like this, right? Remote work increases productivity. And then reasonnya adalah because, apa sih bedanya reason sama evidence? The data that support our reasons, right? As well as our arguments. And link back is something like penguatan, right? So never forget to use link back because most of people forget about it before they close their speech, right? Ini untuk penguatan aja sih. Therefore, companies adopting remote. Okay. So, this is the role of every speaker. Tadi kan satu tim ada berapa orang? 3 ya. Nah, ada first speaker, and then ada second speaker. Or if you want to see from this one, Ada ini nggak ya? Di sini. Kayaknya ini ya.
The second opposition speaker then speaks for 5 minutes. As the second opposition speaker.
Oh, this one, yang pendek aja ya. Oke.
The video will demonstrate how the debate will be conducted. There will be 2 teams, the affirmative team who will argue for an issue, and the negative team who will argue against this issue.
Okay.
The first person from the affirmative team will present their argument. Then the first person from the negative team will present their against argument. Now, it's the turn of the second person who will have 5 minutes to defend the argument of their team by presenting information and facts. The second person from the negative team will also have 5 minutes to
Okay, so do you know the rules, the flow of the debate? The first one is the first speaker from the affirmative team, right? And then followed by the first speaker from the negative, and then followed by second speaker of the affirmative. So it is zigzag, right? This one is the first, this one is the second, and this one is the third, and this one is the fourth, and this one is the fifth, and this one is the last one. Okay.
And the against argument of the
Oke, nanti siapa yang akan menjadi pro dan kontra, dan siapa yang menjadi first, second, and third, seperti biasa kita spinner ya. Oke. Tapi sebelumnya kita coba lihat dulu nih, first speaker tugasnya apa? Tentunya membuka debat dengan resmi. Good afternoon, honorable judges. Honorable, so it's not honorable, but it's honorable. Good afternoon, honorable judges, timekeeper, and worthy opponents. Oke, sebenarnya sih ini ya, bisa introduce the team dulu kalau untuk first. Nah, selain membuka juga mendefinisikan motion, menyampaikan framework, and then memberi 1 sampai 2, menutup dengan transisi. And then the second speaker of pro. Berarti ini masih teammate-nya ya. Oke, this one menguatkan argumen dari speaker 1 dan lain-lain. 3 juga sama. Cuman kalau yang 3 nggak boleh membawa argumen baru ya. The third speaker is focusing on the summarizing the arguments from the first and the second speaker. Oke, begitu juga dengan tim. Ini ada sampel script ya, and then now we are coming to this, the practice. We must more in practice, right? So, do you want to have another motion? Because our first plan is the motion is like this, right? What is our plan motion? Oh, ini juga ada contohnya. Apa kemarin ini ya? Coffee and tea. Ini yang ini. Coffee versus tea at work. Which one is better for productivity? Right? Which one is better for productivity? So, Kita coba ini ya. Apa namanya? Kita coba langsung. Kira-kira siapa yang kan kita ada 12. Jadi mungkin ada 2 ronde. Round pertama kan 6 ya. 3-3. Round kedua itu baru 3-3. Nah, round pertama siapa yang ingin pakai spinner seperti biasa ya? Saatnya apa? Mana? Yes? Oh yes, please. I thought you will be the first. Makanya ini biasa kan yang saya perhatiin Ilham nih kalau yang wants to be the first ya. Terus sometimes Ramdhani. Oke. Oke, so Aldino Rakan ya. And then Ihza Ramdhani. And then Ukas with Z or S? S, right? And then Ilham. And then Genta, and then Intan, and then Maya, and then Zul, and then Afan, right? And then Demi, is it? Tapi kalau nanti muncul mungkin di second round ya? Atau oke, kita shuffle dulu ya. Oke. Belum diputar, tapi di ini ya, Oke, round 1. Round 1 itu berarti nanti yang muncul apa? First speaker. Oh, pertama Pro dulu ya. Pro. Dia first speaker, siapa? And then second ya. Second speaker. Okay. Okay, and then this one is third speaker. Okay. Ada yang mau duluan mencoba first speaker? Nggak ada ya? Speaker. Digacha, okay. And this one is cons. Biar adil ya. Walaupun sometimes adil. Dipaksa adil. It's your luck, right? Okay. So let me first wait this one. Mana nih? Where is the layout? Okay, this one. Oh no, it's supposed to be. Belum. Oke. Berarti nanti yang putaran pertama akan jadi first speaker of pro, and then yang kedua akan first speaker of cons, right? Oke, selang-seling. Tuh, lagian bilang Genta-Genta terus ya. Oke, it's Zul, I guess.
Gak apa-apa asal sama Genta.
Gak apa-apa asal sama Genta. Oke.
Genta please. Janganlah Genta menjadi musuh. Genta jadi musuh.
It's Ihza.
Nanti kamu banyak. Enggak musuh aja.
Oke. Enggak dong, enggak satu tim ya.
Oh gitu. Aku mau sama apa? Kan bener kan?
Rakan. Rakan.
Musuhnya Genta aja biar bisa.
Okay. No, it's Ukas, I guess. Genta. Lah, katanya sama Genta udah ini. Oke.
What is this?
Okay. Next week, I guess. Okay. Where is it? It's supposed to be round 2, right? Okay. Okay, round 2. It's supposed to be.
Topiknya beda.
Oh, topiknya beda aja.
Beda dong.
Oke, ya wis. Berarti beruntung dong yang pertama bisa mempersiapkan seminggu ya. Ramdhani, oke. Emang ini harus yang orang-orang out of the box ya. Oke. Ramdhani, oke. So, oke. Second round, oke, Afan, I guess. Yes, Afan, right? Okay, this one. It's Aldino, I guess. No, yes. So one team with Ramdhani. And this one? Okay, sorry. And this one. It's my. Maya with Afan, right? Intan, I guess. Intan, right? So. And this one is Ilham.
Iya, dia nggak bisa. Tapi dia nggak bisa bawa mobil baru katanya. Nggak boleh.
Yes, tapi bisa ngeribet kok.
Iya.
Third person.
Bisa.
Bisa.
POI.
POI.
Berarti aku nggak bisa. Emang nggak bisa?
Nggak bisa kalau pro, soalnya yang mau diinterrupt siapa? Karena kan beliau yang pertama. Hah? Kecuali mau interrupt. Oh bisa. Mau interrupt kan maksudnya? Bukan diinterrupt ya? Oh diinterrupt.
Diinterrupt bisa. Bener diinterrupt juga bisa. Ya, tapi kalau dia mau kontrol lagi, misalkan si pro nggak boleh diinterrupt. Si pro saya kan dikontrol balik boleh. Boleh.
First speaker ya? First speaker, it's supposed to be RL. Sebenarnya bisa teman-teman buat di ini ya, apa namanya? Word baru, tapi ini harus ada RL-nya. So this is an example, right? Oke, berarti sudah tahu bahwa nanti kalau misalnya this one, oh belum ada ini ya. The title is this one, right? So pro, kalau pro berarti dukung kopi atau teh?
Kopi. Oh, it's better, iya. Kopi is better.
We actually pokoknya intinya ini tuh kalau yang pros dia mendukung kopi lebih membuat kita menjadi produktif daripada teh ya. Hah? Sweet maksudnya? Lah ini udah. Oh yang milik kopi atau teh? Mau sweet atau udah kayak gini aja nih? Tapi yang pro itu berarti kalau dari sini harus mendukung kopi, ya. Bahwa kopi itu lebih baik, lebih better dalam hal memproduktiviti kita, dalam pekerjaan, at work, ya. Sedangkan berarti pro siapa pro?
Kopi.
Oh Zul sama Rakan ya. Oh Iza adalah teh. Tenang. Teh ya, maksudnya teh it's better. Teman-teman bisa buat. Oke. Kira-kira bisa dipahami ya teman-teman ya. Nah kalau untuk yang round 2 itu memang langsung on the spot nanti. Biar motionnya. Yang ronde 2 itu nanti motionnya minggu depan ya. Di announce. Iya. Oke. So please everyone just make your tapi buatnya nanti di word baru terus ada RL-nya.
Oke.
Like example. Do you understand?
Yes.
Nah, kayak gini nih contohnya. Misalnya this house would increase. We would oke. Di modul sih lengkap ini contohnya. So any questions? No. Genta, do you understand what to do now? Next week maybe, right? So which one is yours? Yes, understood. Are you supporting coffee or tea? Coffee. Oke. Terus siapa aja? Selain Genta, Rakan juga berarti kopi ya? Zul kopi, Ramdhani teh, Aldino teh, and Intan teh ya. So Intan, you must support teh dan kopi ya.
Salah dikit.
Hah? Salah.
Pros versus pros.
Oke. Salah. So Iza must support tea, right? And Ukas is tea, and Demi is tea. Ukas must support tea. Tea is better than coffee. Tapi ternyata ada kok, mereka sama-sama mengandung kafein ya. Kecuali kalau coffee versus milk. Itu debatable nggak? Untuk productivity, untuk at work. Kayaknya malah ngantuk ya.
Orang kopi aja tambahin.
Kalau kopinya
Nggak ngantuk. Oke, biar ingat kita coba. Oke, bentar. Round. Wait a moment. Kalau yang round 2 mau di sekarang motionnya? Tapi apa motionnya? What is the motion about? Kita yang simple dulu ya, tapi berkaitan dengan our daily life. Ada yang punya ide nggak? Mau? Is it related to our life? Ada yang suka sarapan bubur emang? Tapi boleh juga. Iya. Apa ayo kalau mau sekarang kalau enggak berarti ya udah on the spot minggu depan. Iya, soalnya ini kayaknya bakalan satu pertemuan doang nih praktisnya. Hah? Apa? Pakai baju dalam. Kalau nggak, is it right? Oke. Oke. Oke.
Ya klikos almost ya.
So it's just next week, right? Apa? Nah itu dia, itu aja ya.
Tunggu dulu. Remote work, but off. Yes. Kamu itu. Kalau dulu jajan dulu
Kalau yang pro berarti dia harus mendukung remote work is better than the office work. Okay. Really? But Afan, you must not support this. Okay. Hah?
Tomorrow will be finished.
Oke. Berarti ini aja lah ya. Untuk round 2 berarti ini gimana sih ya? How is it? Udah lah ya, di bawah belakang aja, di bawah aja ya. Okay, so I'm gonna just ini biar nggak lupa, kira-kira this one is for hours. Okay, this one, right? Alright. So this is for next week. Formatnya seperti ini, nanti ada area. Okay. So, do you have any questions? Tapi sebelum tapi nggak langsung baca assertion ya. Jadi kayak harus ada greeting dulu kayak good evening. Terus ada opening and then introducing the things and then assertions. So just make it as smooth as possible. Okay. So do you have any questions? Yes, Raka.
In debate, can we out of the topic or
Out of the topic? What do you mean by out of the topic?
misal tentang konsumsi kopi dan teh,
Yes.
apakah bisa nanti serempet ke kesehatan gitu atau gimana?
Oh.
Fokusnya in productivity.
Oke, nanti haknya orang pertama melimit. Kira-kira kita fokusnya kemana aja gitu. Nah itu strategi juga ya. So the first speaker tolong nanti dilimit yang sekiranya menguntungkan kalian tapi ya.
Tapi first speaker bisa langsung menyerang tehnya atau emang kita ngomong urusan kopi gitu.
Oke, first speaker of the affirmative team. Dia selain bisa pertama selain mendefinisikan, dia juga bisa memberikan argumen kan?
Menyerang si teh.
Atau bisa apa?
Menyerang tuh artinya langsung memberikan argumen yang menyerang si teh itu. Bisa dong. First speaker. Nih, kalau di sini kan first speaker-nya itu memberikan 1 sampai 2 argumen utama. Oh iya. I strongly hope there will be POI ya, POI atau interruption. Dan itu hanya 30 detik doang. Ketika ada yang ingin menyampaikan interupsi itu hanya 30 detik. Nggak boleh lebih. Ada timekeeper. Jadi besok itu ada timekeeper, ada judges, ada moderator ya. Oke. Hah? Moderate. Like, for example, like. Tapi benar moderatornya mungkin yang first round will be me ya. Nanti yang first round akan saya contoh saya dulu. Misalnya ya seperti biasa opening. Like.
Boleh atau enggak?
Iya. Tapi bukan boleh atau enggak POI maksudnya. Enggak. Mungkin hanya menginvite. Misalnya, let's invite the first speaker from the affirmative team. The floor is yours. Nah gitu-gitu aja. Tukang undang ya.
Itu 5 menit itu 1 menitnya nggak boleh.
Oh itu protected time beda lagi. Kayaknya kita belajar itu sambil jalan ya. Karena sebenarnya debat itu lumayan banyak rules-nya. Tapi sejalan kita praktis nanti akan ada pemahaman. Karena yang besok itu adalah bukan yang praktek besar. Praktek besarnya nanti ya. Yang mungkin kita akan beradu dengan kelas lain gitu ya. Enggak ya. No. Maybe for praktek besar. Di random dengan grup lain ya. Oke. Maybe. Okay, so any more questions? Yeah. Okay, no more questions. Sudah paham ya? Kayak minggu depan berarti kita langsung gas praktis ya. Understandable. So, oh, I thought it was like Ramdhani, but it's Genta. No, okay. The one who says understandable. Oh, it's Genta. So if you don't have more questions, that's all I guess for now. Thank you very much for your participations. And that's all. And setelah saya say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, everyone. Okay.
Apa? Udah cyber aja udah.
Cyber is like psychological. Yeah, cyber is something like psychological war. Yeah. Yes, that's what I want. Yes, cyber.
Ya, tim Bapak dua ini.
King Munyu.
Yes.
Winaksa.
Serius aku? Takutnya pulang kepikiran antara 12 atau 12. Mati ya, Sabtu.